Alright, start us, Brian.
Thank you,
Jesus, thank you, Jesus, for our food, for our food. We want to thank you.
It's nice to have some hash for breakfast.
It's been a while.
Why did I not make you walk there? You trying to shoot left-handed? Does it feel kind of awkward?
Hey guys, I'm going up.
kinda hard,
Okay,
isn't it?
I'm going up.
Wait, where are you going?
Alright, he's downrange. Everyone's going to fall off. What's he doing? Oh, point blank range. You hit it! Alright, come back up here and shoot normal. Wilder, come back behind the firing line. It's kind of a big decision, and I'm having a couple of the kids try it, and that is switch to shooting a rifle or BB gun on their left side because of their eye dominance. I'm actually switching. I'm right-handed, but I'm switching to learn to shoot on my left side with a rifle. I've been reading a lot, and I realized that I'm left eye dominant, and that actually can
I might fall.
change how you shoot, specifically shooting with a both eye open technique. If that doesn't make any sense to you, basically one of your eyes, in most people, one of your eyes has a stronger connection to your brain. And you actually favor that eye's vision over your other eye in certain situations. I'm gonna really quickly show you what I'm talking about with this very unloaded shotgun. Normally I shoot right-handed. That means my right eye is sighting down the top of the barrel to the little sight bead on the front. But I'm not right eye dominant, I'm left eye dominant. So this is the view of my right eye as I'm shooting, say, a clay pigeon or something flying through the air. But ideally, when you're shooting in many applications, you actually keep both eyes open, so you don't just have this one little narrow vision, you actually have this larger peripheral vision through your other eye as well. But if I keep both eyes open, my vision tends to switch to my dominant eye. So here's my right eye's view, but my dominant eye's view is slightly to the left. This is my dominant eye's view. Which means if I shoot a shotgun with both eyes open, I think that I'm actually sighting down the barrel. I'm watching that little front sight bead, but I'm actually watching it with my left eye, which means I'm aiming way off. And I only really recently realized this, and that might explain why I've never been able to hit a clay pigeon. So pretty much my options are, I close my left eye, and I just use a one eye technique, which is really actually inferior in many shooting applications. Or I can switch to left, which is very awkward, but I can tell just toying with it over the last few days, it immediately improves my ability to instantly find my sights. That's just some food for thought for any of you who are starting your kids out at shooting. You might want to have some of them switch over to their dominant side, whether they're right-handed or left-handed. I'm going to put these cows just on this upper portion of the pasture for the next few weeks at least. They're afraid to cross the line down here. Even with that poly line laying on the ground, they won't cross up there, which I guess that's a good thing. She's gonna walk all the way around the end of that wire on the ground, and he'll probably follow her. I'm just trying to take the concentrated impact off this area and let him spread out in the pasture some. Plus, when you look down here, there's cow manure scattered here, and there's none up here because they've not been up here, so we're just gonna shift that impact up. And then I'll move this wire to the other side of this gate, so now they have access to that creek and this whole upper section. Did you not figure it out? Come on. You gotta walk around the wire. Oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna walk. Oh, is he? No, he won't do it. Come on, walk along. You just have to walk just a little ways. Go. Come on. Oh, he's gonna do it. He's overcoming it. They're so eager. It's hard to not step on chickens.
This bird is dying in the roots. Okay.
Somehow we're going up with more weapons than we came down with. You got your blowgun?
Yeah, Joyful's, she lost all her darts.
Oh no. Okay, I'm going back down to work. Gabe is here. He's helping me today.
Oh, hooray.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Mud on the camera. You're just making it worse.
I think that's better. You have a good day. You doing school?
Doing school.
Alrighty. Hope it goes well. We are continuing the process of pulling hardwood floors, and we're gonna work on these rooms here in the front of the house. Gabe is out here, and I appreciate you coming out, Gabe.
Not a problem.
It makes me more productive and it's more fun. We got more than twice as much done as I would have last time we were here in the same number of hours. So, and then if we run out of that, or one of us needs to do something else, we're gonna finish cutting the center section of the house. Okay, we got the floor up in this one room, and Gabe kind of saved our butts because yesterday when I was working, or day before yesterday, I took the floor up on that end and going that way. I tested both ends and I said, hey, this is the fastest way, and then I was wrong. Ended up taking it out the other way, way faster. Plus the flooring was stuck underneath the wall, was actually put in, and then the wall was built on it in one little section. So Gabe had a saw, cut that out. The subfloor looks pretty good except for right here by the door where the water would run back in, and it's just a mess. Incredibly, the floor was intact on top of it, so we'll see what the framing looks like right in here when I tear out this subfloor to replace it.
Those nails are awkward trying to grab a board, slide stuff across, or step.
Yeah, they are.
Yes.
How's it going up here? Smoothies?
Justice made them.
He made them?
Yes.
Smoothies, not venison?
Smoothies and venison.
Well, we had all sorts of, we had a hodgepodge.
I've been thinking about eating this venison stew today since I made it yesterday. I was thinking about it last night. And I was thinking about it this morning.
Go ahead. Oh, ow! You got my hand. Oh, there you go.
I kind of think I just want to keep going with floors and eat, so we could start on this, but also we could start nails and just cleaning this.
You can grab that corner off you and see how it goes.
Yeah, I'd love to see that. We're looking at the fastest way to get these nails out. You can't really pull most of them, so you either have to break them, or we're looking at cutting them off. That's definitely faster. How many blades do you think will go through there on the floor?
I mean, they last a while.
The fire extinguisher's right over there if you need it. That tool does a pretty amazing job getting rid of those nails really fast. Next, I just need to go into the bathroom, tear out the floor under the bathtub. Hopefully, there's not too much rot under that bathtub.
That thing was kind of nasty, so I'm glad I remembered to bring it up here and wash it off. We'll hang it up here to dry. So how was your day? How did school go?
Oh, it was such a chill day. It was just one of those days where everything went really well.
Good.
It did feel a little stressful at one point, I remember. But
School's going good?
yeah. I love days where we don't have anywhere to be and we have a school day. Just like, there's no stress to get it done in a certain amount of time. It's really nice.
Good. What you drinking? Broth?
Venison stew broth.
Here we go.
We're gonna go in just a couple minutes.
Well, we had a really good day down the hill. That floor is so slow, even with both of us working, but where's Dave? That's not his name. His name
His name's
is
Gabe.
Gabe. Mr. Gabe.
But good job.
I like that he calls him Dave.
It's cute. With Gabe's help, we got a lot done. A lot more than I would have gotten done. So
That was such a nice surprise to me. I know you knew, but I was happily surprised.
it's so encouraging too. Even if he just comes out a couple times here and there, it's so encouraging. Makes it feel possible.
You giving me a shoulder rub? Thank you.
Watch Andy Griffith. Do you watch Andy Griffith? I love you to the moon. I love you to Jupiter.
Bedtime, kids. It's time to go to bed, everybody.
To the moon. I love you.
Jump. I got you. I won't let you hurt. I won't let you get hurt. Ready? Go. Good job.
Thanks for coming along for the ride as we got a ton done on the house, a lot done on the house, and we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.